Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Avocado channel. Today we are making date paste for filling cookies and date squares. I am using here fresh dates. Peel, then remove the seeds. Put in microwave for about 4 minutes. Then we'll see. After 4 minutes, check with the fork. I think it become more tender, but still needs more time. I'll put it back in the microwave for a couple of minutes. I think it's ready. Soft, tender. You can add sesame seeds and half teaspoon of butter and use for filling cookies, pate. You can put in sandwiches for children. You can keep in the fridge for about 2 months. Put in plastic bags or stretch films, as you can see. You can put in a jar. I hope you enjoy watching the video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, don't forget to click like. If you are new to our channel, great pleasure if you subscribe. Till we meet again, goodbye.